Smite presenting how to make a paper boat and hat.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a paper hat and a paper boat that actually will float. I haven't tried it, but it should. Okay. You're going to need a rectangle piece of paper. It doesn't matter what size, you can use computer paper, newspaper, postage paper. Okay, and so first, you're going to take your paper and fold it in half the hot dog way. I mean, hamburger way. Sorry. You have it. Next, you're going to take this and fold it in half. I'm going to open it back up now. Make sure that this part that you can open is on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to take this corner of your paper and fold it in a triangle towards the center crease. Yeah, wait, maybe let's do this. You're going to do the same to the other side. And now you have this. Alright, now you're going to take this corner here, fold it towards the bottom. Show you what this looks like in a minute. See? Just fold it to that. And do the same to your other side. You have two sides that look like this. Fold that side up. Alright. So you have that. Now, you're going to flip this wonderful masterpiece. Do the same thing on that flip side. And up. Alright. Now you have this on both sides. Nice and neat. Okay. Now you're going to take this part here that you can open and open it. So beautiful. It's a hat. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. Now you're going to take this to make your boat and fold it in half. Oh, yeah. Alright, so you just folded that in half. So this. Next, you're going to take this here corner that can open and fold it to the top. All the way up. And see that. Okay. Flip this and do the same thing. Okay. Now you have 3 flaps here. Awesome. Triangle. You're not done though. You take this part and open it. And flatten it, like you did when you had your hat. Open it and flatten it. Now find the side that you can open, like this, and open it. And pull it out. Do a small, slight crease on the bottom. And there is your boat. Now, go take this, try to put it in some water, see if it will float. Alright? So there's your hat and boat. A 2-in-1.